Get Off of My Cloud is a song by the English rock band The Rolling Stones. It was written by Mick Jagger and Keith Richards for a single to follow the successful I Can't Get No Satisfaction, recorded in Hollywood, California, in early September 1965. The song was released September in the United States and October in the United Kingdom. It topped the charts in the US, UK, Canada, and Germany and reached number 2 in several other countries. Composition. The Stones have said that the song is a reaction to their suddenly greatly enhanced popularity and deals with their aversion to people's expectations of them after the success of Satisfaction. Richards commented, "Get Off of My Cloud was basically a response to people knocking on our door asking us for the follow-up to Satisfaction. We thought at last we can sit back and maybe think about events. Suddenly there's the knock at the door, and of course what came out of that was Get Off of My Cloud." In 1971 he added, "I never dug it as a record. The chorus was a nice idea, but we rushed it as the follow-up. We were in LA, Los Angeles, where I Can't Get No Satisfaction was recorded, and it was time for another single. But how do you follow up Satisfaction? Actually, what I wanted was to do it slow, like a Lee Dorsey thing. We rocked it up. I thought it was one of Andrew Loog Oldham's worst productions." In a 1995 interview with Rolling Stone, Jagger said, "That was Keith's melody and my lyrics. It's a Stop Bugging Me post-teenage alienation song. The grown-up world was a very ordered society in the early 60s, and I was coming out of it. America was even more ordered than anywhere else. I found it was a very restrictive society in thought and behavior and dress." The song is in E major and is built on variants of the Louie Louie riff, a short repeating pattern of the chords I, V and V, in this case EABA. It opens with a drum intro by Charlie Watts and twin guitars by Brian Jones and Richards. Personnel: Mick Jagger, lead vocals; Keith Richards, rhythm guitar, backing vocals; Brian Jones, 12-string guitar, lead guitar, electric piano; Bill Wyman, bass guitar, backing vocals; Charlie Watts, drums. Release history. The 1965 single release was a major success for the Rolling Stones. In the US, the single reached number 1 on the Billboard Hot 100 on 6 November 1965 and remained there for 2 weeks. The song was included on the band's next American album, December's Children and Everybody's, released in December 1965. The song stayed at number 1 in the UK singles chart for 3 weeks in November that year. Appearances on later Stones releases include Got Live If You Want It, Live album, 1966; Big Hits, High Tide and Greengrass, compilation album, 1966; Hot Rocks 1964-1971, compilation album, 1971; 30 Greatest Hits, compilation album, 1977; Love You Live, Live album, 1977; 40 Licks, compilation album, 2002; The Biggest Bang, Live DVD set, 2007; GRRR, compilation album, 2012. Chart history. Cover versions. Australian new wave band Jimmy and the Boys released a cover version as a single titled Get Off My Cloud in 1981. References. External links. Complete official lyrics. Lyrics of this song at Metro Lyrics.